What's up, everyone? I am heading to Yosemite, just packing up the car, getting ready to head out, meeting some friends at the grocery store, pick up a few last minute supplies, and gas up and go. So with Yosemite, we are trying to photograph the fire falls, and the fire falls is a once a year occurrence. It's fairly rare, though it can happen like a week in a row, almost, maybe 4 or 5 days. But anyway, it's Horsetail Falls, and the sunset hits Horsetail Falls at just the right angle where it basically glows and looks like lava. And of course, you have to have clear skies, enough snow melt, and it only happens late February. So Horsetail Falls right now is dry, and that's a problem. But it should snow tomorrow. Well, we're hoping anyway. And if it doesn't, then our chances of the fire falls happening is probably zero. So we're hoping for the best.
Really?
Oh,
that's exactly.
Welcome, valued customer.
Have you guys tried alien jerky?
I have. You?
Have you really?
Yeah.
No, I don't think I've had it before.
They have like 100 flavors.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna try this out.
BFG EXTTs, extraterrestrial terrain.
Look at all these hot sauces. I'm in heaven right now.
Channel 55 on Sirius XM.
Alright, I kind of just picked one randomly, but I think I'm going to really enjoy it. It's a mango with habanero. I'm going to have to try it out. It's about $7.50. Alright, I'm going to go with this lemon pepper beef jerky here. Try it out. Alright, let's try this out here. Mmm. Ooh, this is really good. You can actually taste the lemon, definitely the pepper. Mm.
That's the two flavors that are in there, huh?
Yeah. It's really moist too. It's really good.
You can taste the two flavors in there.
Mm. Alright, Adam's having some engine problems. Let's check it out and see what's going on. What's it doing?
Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Oh dude, this sucks.
Cuts out ignition for a second and just sputters. But my guess would be this here, if anything.
What is that?
That is the ignition module. So supposedly those are kind of iffy on these things. But I hadn't had an issue up until now, so I don't know.
Wow. I can't believe you guys brought your cat with you. Hi! Hi, kitty. So does she go on hikes for real?
Yeah, she walks around with us. Follows you around and then takes off.
You don't have to put her on the leash or nothing?
We put her on the leash when we don't want to walk around, but she doesn't try to run away.
You just gotta keep an eye on her because she gets distracted and starts exploring on her own.
And killing bugs and stuff.
And pretty soon she's like a half a mile away.
Awesome. Well, I guess I've seen it all. These people bring their cat with them, camping and hiking.
Cat camping.
Cat camping. That's awesome, dude. I would do the same if my cats were nice.
You gotta look at me though.
Anthony, you need lotion.
Don't worry about my hands.
I don't know what just happened there.
You have the driest hands on earth.
What is that thing called again?
That is an ignition control module. And And I'm not entirely sure that that was a problem, but
Oh my god.
it's very likely.
It sounds like continuum transfunctioner. I think that's what he meant to say.
It also looks like it.
We're at the original Del Taco in Barstow, baby. We're gonna get our burrito on, huh, Anthony? Huh? We're gonna get our burrito on, aren't we?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, this is not the original. This is the second Del Taco. I messed up. The first one is down the street, but I got me a macho beef burrito. I'm gonna eat it. I don't know if you want to see me eat it though.
Nice and onions in here. Vanilla, right?
Yeah, that's the macho burrito. I have to say, there's one thing I do notice. It is not as greasy.
Long time no see! Dude, you guys made it!
Was this yours? No. Oh. Hey, what's going on? And after finally making it to Yosemite and camping out overnight, we can begin our first day of photography. Okay, I found such an interesting spot right off the parking lot here. I have my camera set up here, and right across the street, right there, you can see this beautiful tree right next to this tree trunk, and I'm shooting it with my 70-200, and let's view the image. And that just goes to show you, you can find a good shot just about anywhere, so keep your eyes peeled wherever you're at. I'm just here waiting to shoot Upper Yosemite Falls with my 70-200. I'm trying to get this composition right here, shooting between the trees with the waterfall with the 70-200, fairly close up shot. The sky has been opening up a little bit, so I'm just waiting here for that opportune moment for the sky to open back up for me. Just hanging out, enjoying the process. And we're making our way to Yosemite Falls, actually Lower Yosemite Falls, and I spotted this frame here. I don't know if you can see it right behind me, right there. Just getting a close-up shot of that with a 70-200 at a little over 100 millimeters, and I feel like this is a really good vertical shot. We didn't see a shot we were crazy about at Lower Yosemite Falls, and especially with all the people. But I did see this little tree in this image on our way back. And as for this shot, I just didn't have any time to record any video of it. Sometimes the shot has to come first, and good thing I did, because that light on the mountain there was gone in seconds. Alright guys, it is snowing right now, but that means there is a chance for the fire falls to happen tomorrow, and that's really looking up for me, so I'm staying an extra day just for that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the first day of photography in Yosemite. Thanks again. See you tomorrow.